And
I'll time that out for you in a little
a lot of rain showers from northeastern portions of North Carolina down from eastern Virginia down from Maryland and down from central western portions of Pennsylvania down from northeastern Ohio down from central and north central portions of Michigan and down from northern Wisconsin and stretching it into northern Minnesota up into the Dakotas and up into the southern Manitoba and eastern portions of Saskatchewan. A few sleet and snow showers mixing in with from western Manitoba and central North Dakota and south central South Dakota down from Nebraska. And a lot of thunderstorms from central Iowa down for western portions of Illinois, and a lot of rain showers and thunderstorms from western portions of Virginia down to northeastern Tennessee and curving it down for southern West Virginia down for Ohio Valley, down for 7 Ohio down for 7 Indiana, western Kentucky, Tennessee down for northern Mississippi down for the central Louisiana. We're going to turn on the storm tracks and rain showers in central Oklahoma, some thunderstorms. And these are lines of damaging winds and these are 3 cells that are tornadic. This is a possible tornado and damaging winds northeast of Carthage, Mississippi. And there's another tornadic cell near Woodland, Mississippi, and stretching it up in the northeast and near Evergreen, Mississippi. And another cell approaching the Muscle Shoals area of Alabama and after South Central Tennessee. So those of you in these areas, take caution and stay safe because it is going to be hot, nasty outside here with a lot of wind, rains, hail, huge funnel clouds here. So this is going to so take caution in this area. Snow and sleet showers for north central New Mexico, up in Colorado, northeastern Utah, down for Wyoming, down for eastern Idaho, down for west central portions of Montana, north central portions of Idaho, and Atlanta rain showers in eastern Colorado, and Wyoming, down for central Montana, down for eastern portions, central portions of Alberta, and northwestern portions of Alberta, northeastern portions of British Columbia, snow and sleet and rain showers in the eastern portions of British Columbia, rain pelts in west central portions of Washington State. We got La Plata in Mexico. Good evening. It's 57 degrees with clear skies here. Okay, let's take a look at our maps of the satellite loop here, and it shows a line of clouds covering from much of New England and upstate New York down for East Quebec down for Atlantic Canada. Another batch of clouds from the United States and then through Ohio Valley and then through Mid-South and stretching down much of Great Lakes and then through Central and Northern Plains, states of the Dakotas and Northern Rockies and up in West Washington and for British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and for 7 Ontario. Where? Alright, let's take a look at map situation here. Cold front through Texas and up in northern Louisiana, down Arkansas, down in Missouri. Warm front from the Carolinas down from Tennessee down to Missouri. Pink front from north central Missouri down to Iowa. And a station front from Minnesota stretching down for western Wisconsin, Illinois, Indiana down for Ohio, down for Virginia, and the cold front out to sea. 45 from south central Nevada down for Arizona. 45 from southeastern Colorado down for west central Kansas down to southern Nebraska. 45 from Montana down to southern Alberta. 45 from southern Nevada down for western portions of Arizona. And high pressure in New Jersey off the Florida coastline, southwestern Idaho wall. Low pressure in Arizona, eastern Nebraska, and eastern Montana. 49 degrees that temperature now in Boston, it's 60 out in New York City, 77 in Atlanta, 85 in Miami, 93 in Brownsville, 80 in Dallas, Texas, 55 in Kansas City, 43 out in Minneapolis, 52 in Chicago, 52 out in Denver, 49 in Salt Lake City, 50 in Great Falls, 59 in Albuquerque, 67 in Los Angeles, 69 in San Francisco, and 56 in Seattle. Current conditions around the region, we got 49 degree temperature reading for Boston, it's 56 for Bedford, 59 for Fitchburg, 53 for Beverly, 52 in Gloucester, 56 in Worcester, and 59 in Sturbridge, and 58 in Webster, 56 in Norwood and Taunton, and 53 in New Bedford, and in Martha's Vineyard, 52 in Falmouth, 48 in Cape Cod Bay, and Chatham, 46 in Provincetown, 45 in Nantucket, and 54 out in Blacktown, 55 Wesley, and out in Smithfield, it's 59 in Gardner, 64 in Greenfield, 63 in Amherst, 65 in Springfield, 59 in Pittsfield, 60 in Northampton, 61 in Albany, 58 in Bennington, 57 out in Keene, New Hampshire, 55 in Jefferson, New Hampshire, 57 in Nashville, New Hampshire, 54 in Manchester, New Hampshire, 58 in Clark, New Hampshire, 61 in Portsmouth, New Hampshire, 46 in the Bay of New Hampshire, 49 in Boston Harbor, 64 in Winslow, 64 in Hartford, 65 in Meriden, 61 in Waterbury, 61 in Danbury, 59 in Bridgeport, 55 in New Haven, it is 65 in New York City, 64 in Innisfil, and 54 out in Montauk. Here, Okay, WPC forecast discussion here. Dangerous severe weather outbreak early this week. Heavy rainfall for the eastern United States by Wednesday and turning cooler beyond the cold front. Some of the most active weather so far this season is now in progress across the deep south this afternoon. As a Monday afternoon, the Storm Prediction Center indicated high risk of some severe weather all over parts of Mississippi and Alabama, where tornado outbreak is expected to occur. Numerous severe thunderstorms are expected to develop across the deep south front Tuesday afternoon. Weather very slow moving and dynamic spring storm system and activity will likely to reach the southeast coast by Wednesday. These storms are feeding off a very warm and humid air from the Gulf of Mexico into the highly sheared environment. Farther to the north across the middle and west states, Ohio Valley and Mid-Atlantic region, periods of heavy rainfall will be making weather headlines. A broad band of over wind and rainfall will not the slow moving warm front is expected to bring copious amounts of rain to the areas. By the end of the weekend, flash flood warnings have been issued by many of the local National Weather Service forecasts have for the possibility of flooding as multiple bands of heavy rain affect the same areas. Numerous thunderstorms will be possible in these areas, but the worst weather expected farther south across the southeastern states. And elsewhere across the continental United States, a fresh surge of cooler and drier weather will be enjoyed by many residents across the southern and central plains, with the cold front passing to the east, and this quality air mass will eventually reach the deep south in Ohio Valley by later this week after the bad weather departs with the cold front. Over the Rockies, expect isolated and scattered snow showers, and at times over the higher elevations, dry pleasant weather to be expected to continue for the west coast as high pressure remains in charge.
Exposed himself inside a Green Line train as it arrived.
Forecast discussion for New England air. High pressure will be gradually built across the region for Tuesday, bringing mild and dry conditions. Low pressure will bring a soaking rain Wednesday into Thursday.
Comments allegedly made by the owner.
Seasonally, weather has been expected Friday and the next weekend with dry weather likely dominate and having a few spot showers. Near term until 6 a.m. Tuesday morning. Skies were mostly cutting across much
Sponsor of the team is either canceled or suspended.
of the
It's advertising with a
region at 20Z as band of clouds is moving onshore across eastern areas wall. Diurnal clouds have developed further inland onshore in the place which are brought to low level of moisture in the allowing the clouds form a bubble of high pressure has pushed off in the New Jersey coast this afternoon, while ridge remains across eastern New York State late this afternoon. Short range models in very good agreement with highly amplified block pattern in place from the central place to the western Atlantic at least cut off low pressure of southeastern Nova Scotia and never cut off flow over the central United States. System will move slowly up for the next few days, which of the surface will creep into the western New England tonight. Expected the east-northeast winds will keep low-level moisture across the region with clouds and possibly some widely scattered showers as moisture rotates in southward off the southeast remain in New Hampshire, and may also see some patchy fog and drizzles develop, especially along the east coast, but did not mention in the forecast for now, and this does occur. Things will happen after midnight. Overnight lows will remain chilly bottom of the night, then the lower mid-40s steps, some upper 30s across the higher terrain of the south in New Hampshire and the east slopes to the Berkshires here. And
dropped a point. The S&P
tonight's lows.
Bank of America slid 6% after a financial mistake.
For the grid forecast, we are gonna see some 42-degree readings for Boston, 38 for Worcester, 41 for Hartford, 44 for New York City, 38 for Albany, 35 for Rutland, 34 for Concord, and 42 for Portland, Maine. So
This time last year.
the temperature range for tonight will be 34 to 44 degrees here. And we are going to get a heavy rain expected late Wednesday and Thursday. Attention turns to potential for heavy rainfall from the storm system now in the Seven Plains and Tennessee Valley. This rainfall could cause ponding of water, street flooding, and causing some small streams to be near above rainfall. Gravity shows rainfall of a 5-day period ending Saturday morning. The majority of the southern New England will fall Tuesday night and Wednesday here.
Just great right now for a Monday rush hour.
So
At the rest of the area, because
we're in the dark, probable to get 1 3/4 to 2 inches of rain. And the further west you go,
5 minutes from the upper deck to Route 128. But
we will get 2 inches of rain right here in north, right here. The further west you go, 2.5 to 3 inches of rain from Rhode Island and over Connecticut. 3 inches of rain from southern Connecticut down for southeastern New York State, New York City, and New Jersey. And 4 inches of rain from New Jersey down for
the charges the couple now faces at the legendary
North Central Pennsylvania, and 5 inches rain in Delaware Valley, including the Philadelphia area. So we are gonna get a lot of rain Wednesday and Thursday here. Okay, let's take a look at our deck cam here, and it shows little cloudy skies over the reservoir this evening here, and little spits of drizzle in the air. Okay, let's take a look at our 7-day forecast. It goes like this.
300 academic programs, more than 50,000 students.
For tonight, we are going to have
Technology degrees, 4,000 healthcare degrees, 11,000 teaching degrees, 84
For tonight, we are gonna have
building the innovation economy for tomorrow's
some mostly clouds, low 41 degrees, north facing wind about 9 miles per hour. Tuesday, mostly clouds, high near 50 degrees, north facing wind about 11 and 14 miles per hour, 25 miles per hour. For Tuesday night, a chance of rain mainly after 3 a.m. Mostly clouds, and low 40 degrees. East wind about 8 to 10 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 30%. Wednesday, rain likely mainly after 3 p.m. Clouds, high near 46 degrees. East wind about 9 to 11 miles per hour, 24 miles per hour, chance of precipitation 60%. New precipitation amounts between a 10 and a quarter inch possible. Wednesday night, the rain could be heavy at times, low about 43 degrees. East wind about 10 miles per hour as 20 miles per hour, chance of precipitation is 9%. Thursday, rain possibly a thunderstorm before noon, then a chance of rain and thunderstorm between noon and 3 p.m. Then a chance of rain after 3 p.m. high near 60 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 8%. Thursday night, most of the clouds low 49 degrees. Friday, parts of the skies high near 64 degrees. Friday night, most clouds low 47 degrees. Saturday, parts of the skies high near 63 degrees. Saturday night, most clouds low 46 degrees. Sunday, parts of the skies high near 63 degrees. Sunday night, chance of showers, most clouds low 44 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 30%. And for Monday, parts of the skies high near 61 degrees. Here, Peters, what a phrase of the day! A cloudy day and a fine evening on tap. This is PJ with you. Have a good evening with good positive attitude here.
Not a trick.